I took that 8000 BTU LG out of this room just because it wasn't big enough and it was really struggling to cool this room and the hallway with this extremely hot weather that we've been having. So I put this 10,500 BTU Sharp in from 1995. If you've seen my videos, you'll know that these look physically the same as the 8500 BTU Sharps do. But these have bigger compressor, dual layer evaporator coil, and bigger diameter tubes on the condenser coil. So pretty quiet. It's getting nice and cold now. Got it running on high speed. So hopefully this makes a big difference. Here's another one of my 10,500 BTU Sharp units. This one is the one that I replaced the bearings in the fan motor. But I also have this one back here. This is the first 10,500 I got, and that one is going to be replacing the LG dual inverter because 9500 BTU just isn't cutting it for that big downstairs floor in that house. We need something bigger, and this is one of the biggest air conditioners I have that actually works. I think it's the biggest air conditioner I have that works. That Samsung air conditioner is only 10,200. This one is a few hundred BTU more. I had a 12,000, or I still have it. It's a 12,300 BTU Kenmore WCI air conditioner, but that one had problems, and I took it apart and used the fan motor and another air conditioner. So that one's obviously not going to be used anywhere, so we'll be using this one. You got to get all of these, or at least those three, or those two, off of it first, so I can get that out of there.